Short selling on Trading 212 involves selling an asset you don't own with the expectation that its price will decline, allowing you to buy it back at a lower price. Here's how to short sell. Log in. Sign into your Trading 212 account using your credentials. Find the asset. Locate the asset you want to short sell. This could be a stock, commodity, currency pair, or other financial instrument. Open short position. Click on the sell button for the chosen asset. This action opens a short position, effectively borrowing the asset from your broker and selling it on the market. Specify quantity. Specify the quantity of the asset you want to short sell. Ensure you're aware of any minimum or maximum trade sizes. Set stop loss and take profit. Consider setting stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk. Stop loss orders help limit potential losses, while take profit orders allow you to lock in profits. Monitor position. Keep a close eye on the performance of your short position. Watch for changes in the market that may affect the asset's price. Close position. When you're ready to close your short position, click on the buy button for the asset. This action effectively buys back the asset, closing your short position. Review performance. After closing your short position, review the performance of the trade. Analyze any profits or losses incurred and consider adjustments to your trading strategy for future short selling opportunities.